Hello, welcome back. Today Apple has just released 12.5.1 to the public for the iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, and the iPhone 5s, and all of the iPads that are currently running on iOS 12. With this version, Apple has just pushed it immediately without any beta, and because it is a minor update, so you can see it is 16822, and I have screenshot the size of this update as well. It is only 35 megabytes, so you can check from here. So it is not much, so which means the update they just fix some of the issues, some bug. So if I go to setting with the release note from Apple state that they fix exposure notification and make it work better. So there are some bug here with exposure notification. And one more thing you may ask about jailbreak. So is it still jailbreakable? So with this version, because it is a minor update, so it doesn't change into like Apple didn't patch the jailbreak. So if I go into camera here, and then when I bring up the arrow up, and you can see the jailbreak is you can still jailbreak your phone, and you can see my phone is compatible with camera jailbreak, which means you still can jailbreak your phone. And if you are running on iOS 12.5, so you may need to update to 12.5.1 as it fetch exposure notification, and I think you should update to that version. And in terms of speed and performance and the battery, it still does the same thing just like iOS 12. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.